Hello and welcome. Today I am in Różan, which is to the north of Warsaw. It is a town on the Narew River, and here we have a rather large fire station, and next to the fire station we have this rather large monument, socialist inspired. You saw lots of these in communist countries. You go to Belarus, they're all over the place. Indeed, there's lots of them in Russia as well. That is a T-34-85 introduced in February 44, if memory serves me correctly, and it's here because of two battles that actually happened here. So we've got this large monument over here. I think the monument has been slightly changed, but that's in more recent times. So 1378 is presumably the date that Różan was founded, and so the word Różan, it's like the word in Polish for rose, which is Róża, and you can see that in the logo on the right hand side. And that looks rather reminds me of the Tudor rose, and maybe it doesn't really look like it, just sort of reminds me. Right, so here we have got two battles. Now, Różan is located not all that far from where the German border was, in fact, 100 kilometers from the East Prussian border. And so the invader got here relatively quickly. So here, from the 5th, the 6th of September 1939, I'll try and read this, if I can see it. Heroic fighting, 115th infantry unit division, 41st part of the 41st. So the Puk, what's a Puk? It's a battalion. Part of the 41st Infantry Division of the Modeling Army in the defense of Różan. So it's a bit difficult to read. It's not that I can't read Polish, it's because it's difficult to read. Anyway, so coming over here, and then now in 1944 we have the destruction of Army Group Center and the advance to the Vistula River. And this destruction of Army Group Center, of course, happened mainly in Belarus, but there were follow-up battles. 4th of September to the 12th of October 1944, the heroic fighting to capture a bridgehead and free Różan. So the bridgehead is presumably over the Narew River, which here is running in a north-south direction, and here it says glory to the heroes of the Polish army who fell in the fight with German fascism and for the freedom of the Różan area. And that is from the Różan community, right, or the town and community. So let's come back to the tank and see this from this angle as well. I've got to say, this is in a very good condition. This is in really good nick for it. Yeah, most of them are sort of falling to bits, but this one here is in exceptional condition. There's one in the Imperial War Museum, which I think was manufactured in 1955 in Czechoslovakia. If I remember correctly, and came from Syria. I think I might have got that wrong, but anyway, that one's in good condition as well, as you'd expect from where it's actually kept. Anyway, there's a bit of information on Różan. Hope you found that interesting. Thanks for being with me here, and all the best from me in Poland.